Those Venkateshwara boli style, tenga boli smell, small samosa, pani puri, bel puri, dahi puri, chola puri. Oh my god, Mysore Pak, Krishna sweets, jangri smell. Oh man, these are the things I missed in France actually.
We have attention please. Welcome to Kamaraj Domestic Airport at Chennai. The outside temperature is 34 degrees Celsius.
Hello guys, Gokulnath here. Totally making this video without any script, without any thinking and directly speaking out of my mind. Feels good to be back to hearing all those bird chirpings around my house in Chennai. Finally, I had an opportunity to visit my family after 3 years. It's like a nostalgic trip for me. It's like pre-COVID visiting to India in 2019 and then post-COVID visiting India. How do you guys feel this feeling when you are coming back home from abroad after a long time? There is a sense of feeling inside a person where constantly tells you, like you don't belong here. But then when you go back there also said, no, I don't belong here either. It's a constant battle, I think. This is exact same feeling I'm going through at this moment. It's like, yes, it's been so nice to be here for 15 days. There were times, that on the very first day, even when I'm just eating the dosa with the tenga chutney, even the chutney feels so spicy. For a South Indian, this is normal. It shouldn't be spicy at all. That is like sweet base, It is like I'm rediscovering my very own life, but again from the start. Total different perspective, even on the everyday simple things, like even driving here. All those new things like UPI payments has been so common in Chennai at this moment. It's good to see all those changes to the city. The most important and difficult stuff you will be encountering when you visit your parents, actually notice them in front of your eyes aging much more faster. This is like a dream moment for me. Actually made a video 4 years ago, just before I was planning to come into France. The moment I came back to Chennai, after some time, I actually watched that video back and suddenly I realized I am actually living the life right now of what I have actually dreamed about 4 years ago, and I'm so happy I took the step which is necessary for the last 4 years consecutively to be where I am right now. The one thing I realized is I'm actually living my own dream life at this moment for a 21-year-old Gokulnath wished.
சரி நான் வாழ்க்கையில் முன்னேறணும்னா சில தியாகங்கள் பண்ணி தான்
3 வருஷம் கழிச்சு நான் இங்கே இருக்கிறது உனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு? இல்லை ஏன் வந்து
ஷார்ட் பீரியட் தானே.
ஆமாம்,
ரொம்ப நாள் ஒன்றும் இல்லையா? ஃபைட்டிங்லாம் நிறைய இருக்குல்ல? இல்லை
ஆமாம்மா, ரொம்ப ஃபைட்டிங். Food man, those rava dosa, these things I miss so much. Krishna sweets, grand sweets, Mysore Pak, oh man, I miss so much foods. I finally had an opportunity to eat so much as I want. My vacation has been great. I had a lot of time to reflect back on myself and my life, from where I have started to where I am now to where I wanted to become in the future. For that, I'm really happy and I'm really grateful, and I am on track to where I wanted to be. This trip gave me that time to actually think. That's worth it, in my opinion. From my own personal experience, this is what I wanted to say. If I can do it, everybody can. Please follow your dreams, know your ikigai and work towards it. Have a 5-year ambition goal, work on it backwards. You can do it. See you guys and catch you guys later. Bye.